Guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how to fix Solana or wallet connecting problem on Paws. So some people are having problem connecting their Solana wallet. So what you need to do is open up your Telegram. So once you open your Telegram, go to your Paws. Now once you open your Paws, make sure you are eligible for the airdrop. And once you're eligible for the airdrop, that's what you need to do is click on this your wallet. Once you click on your wallet, you can see I have my Ton wallet and I have my Solana wallet. So if you have a problem connecting your own, what you need to do is you can get another device, another phone, another Android phone, and try to log in with your Telegram. Go to the post there and go and connect your Solana wallet there. It's very easy. I've tried it and it works. Go and try it. You can use another phone, you can use another system. Go and try it. You'll be able to connect your Solana wallet very easily. So guys, if you found this video helpful, smash the like button, drop a comment and subscribe.